time to check. Module 2, Lesson 2. Here is our problem set. Number 1. Follow directions to label the number line below. A. Ingrid gets ready for school between 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. Label the first and last tick marks as 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. All right, so here's my first tick mark. So I'm going to do 7 a.m. and my last one over here as 8 a.m. Done. So I'm going to just check that off so I know I completed that step. B. Each interval represents 5 minutes. Count by fives starting at 0 or 7 a.m. Label each 5-minute interval below the number line up to 8 a.m. All right, so here's my first tick mark, and they said to label that at the 0. So 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and this last one would be 60. All right, I completed that, so let me give that a little check. C. Ingrid starts getting dressed at 7:10 a.m. Plot a point on the number line to represent this time. Above the point, write a D. So here is 7 a.m. all the way over here on the left. So now I need to find where it shows 7:10, and I'm going to mark that with a D right here. D for getting dressed. And I'm going to put a little point there to plot my point. Check. All right, D. Ingrid starts eating breakfast at 7:35 a.m. Plot a point on the number line to represent this time. Above the point, write an E. So let's find the 35, plot that point, and write an E. Now I completed that, so check. Step E. Ingrid starts brushing her teeth at 7:40 a.m. Plot a point on the number line to represent this time. Above the point, write a T. So 7:40, plot. And now I'm going to write a T above it. Now check because I completed step E. F. Ingrid starts packing her lunch at 7:45 a.m. Plot a point on the number line to represent this time. Above the point, write L. So 7:45, plot it, and write an L. Check it because we completed it. G. Ingrid starts waiting for the bus at 7:55 a.m. Plot a point on the number line to represent this time. Above the point, write W. So here is the 55, plot W. There we go. How did you do? Super. Okay, now we're going to move to the back side. Number 2, label every 5 minutes below the number line shown. Draw a line from each clock to the point on the number line which shows its time. Not all the clocks have matching points. All right, so over here we see 5 o'clock, and over here it's 6 o'clock. And so this would be represent 5:05, 5:10, 5:15, 5:20, 5:25, 5:30, 5:35, 5:40, 5:45, 5:50, 5:55, and then there is 6 o'clock. All right, so we see 8:35. Wait a minute. If my timeline is 5 to 6, is the 8 o'clock hour represented there? Nope, it's not. So we can't draw a line. Let's look at the second clock. Well, the hour hand is between the 5 and the 6, but it hasn't made it past the 6, so we know we're in the 5 o'clock hour. And let me look where my minute hand is. Yep, it's at the 10, so that's 5:50. Is 5:50 represented on our number line? It sure is, so we can draw a line from this clock to 5:50. Okay, next one, 5:15. Is 5:15 shown? Yes, because our line shows between 5 and 6. So we can draw a line from 5 to 5:15. Next one. Well, my hour hand is at the 6 and the minute hand is at the 2. So I know that is 6:10. Does our number line show after 6 p.m. or a.m.? No, it doesn't. So we can't draw a line. Next one's 5:40. Is that represented? Yes, you're right. We can draw a line. All right, the last clock. We see that the hour hand is between the 5 and the 6, but it hasn't passed the 6, so we're still in the 5 o'clock hour. And the minute hand is on the 5. Oops. That means it is, I just started writing before I was thinking, it's 5:25. So let's go ahead and draw a line from this clock to 5:25. How did you do? Great. Number 3, Noah uses a number line to locate 5:45 p.m. Each interval is 5 minutes. The number line shows the hour from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Label the number line below to show his work. All right, so there's 5, 5, 5, 5:10, 5:15, 5:20, 5:25, 5:30, 5:35, 5:40, 5:45, 5:50, 5:55. All right, so now it says Noah to locate 5:45 p.m. So let's find that right here. Put a dot there, and that's 5:45 p.m. All right, 4, Tanner tells his little brother that 11:25 p.m. comes after 11:20 a.m. Do you agree with Tanner? Why or why not? All right. So let's draw a number line. All right, and now I'm going to have my arrows. And I'm going to have 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, right? This could be also considered 11 p.m. And this over here would be 12 a.m. So let's plot 11:25 p.m. Do you agree or disagree with Tanner? Well, I agree with Tanner. 11:25 p.m. and 11:20 a.m. That's the key right here. Can't both go on the 1 hour number line above because p.m. is at night, and a.m. is morning. $11:20 a.m. is first because it is morning. All right, go ahead and press pause and do your exit ticket. Once you're done, press play and check your work. The number line below shows a math class that begins at 10 a.m. and ends at 11 a.m. Use the number line to answer the following questions. All right, so we see our number line, 10 a.m., 11 a.m., and we see sprints, application problem, exit ticket. Oh, these students are doing Eureka Math too, just like us. All right, A says, what time do sprints begin? That's right, they begin at 10 a.m. And we found that by looking here, 10 a.m. What time do students begin the application problem? Right again, they started at 10:20 a.m. What time do students work on the exit ticket? That's right. They start their exit ticket at 10:50 a.m. Now, how long is math class? Remember, it starts at 10 and ends at 11. Right, it is either, you can say 60 minutes or you can say 1 hour. Either would be correct.